Goeiedag aan al die kykers en lesers, dis Maries Leroux, ek is hier saam met Jabulani Senyatso en ons is hier met ons weeklikse nuusbulletin.
Yes.
Nou ja, ek spring sommer hier op die voorblad weg. Die Akapai gemeente se kinderfees wat gewoonlik in die Julie skoolvakansie plaasvind, is heidaglik aan die gang. Ons het daar 'n draai gaan maak, gaan kyk op die voorblad, gaan kyk op bladsy 4 na al die fotos en al die lekker aktiwiteite wat aangebied word. Die fees is nog tot Vrydag aan die gang. Dis gratis vir alle laerskoolkinders. Gaan maak gerus 'n draai as die vakansie net so klein bietjie te lank begin word vir die ouers.
Well, it's a beautiful photograph that we got for the front page on that note. And moving right along, we've got a story, a very difficult story to be telling the people about a double murder suspect in Zeerust, who reportedly, actually it's not reportedly because he got life imprisonment, who killed siblings and then dumped them in a pit toilet. I don't know what got into his head. All the story is on page 3 of this week's edition.
Dan nog steeds 'n bietjie meer op die ernstiger nuusfront. Kansa, dit is natuurlik die kankervereniging, het onlangs hulle dienste uitgebrei by JST se hospitaal. Daar is 'n information desk, daar is familieondersteuning, daar is sielkundige berading, daar is prosteses, alles wat 'n mens kan dink rondom kanker en kankerpasiënte wat belangrik is, wat moeilik is. Gaan vind meer gerus uit en dan ook, jy kan die Kansa Care Center nommer skakel wat ook op bladsy 6 gepubliseer word. Dis 'n moeilike journey soos hulle sê. So al die ondersteuning wat nodig is, gryp die kans aan.
Okay, and this one is for the landlords and tenants, especially now that we are in winter. You know, it's not a good thing to be kicking somebody out because they don't pay rent or they can't pay rent. Not that it's because of money, but it's inhumane. And number 2, it's against the law. If you want to kick somebody out, or if you are a tenant and you want to immediately move out, there's laws that you have to follow. Go to page 3 and see them.
On the note of winter, we have a local young lady, Boitumelo Jose Kungubeni, and we have featured her a few times in our paper for various things, but currently she is busy with a food drive, or she's has been doing it over an extended period. So as jy dalk vir Boitumelo kan help met enige donasies of selfs jou tyd, vir die van ons wat nie geld in die bank het nie, is tyd ook iets wat geskenk kan word. Gaan lees gerus op bladsy 12 hoe jy kan betrokke raak en warm harte en warm magies hierdie winter voor kan sorg. Thank you for her good work.
Awesome belief.
Yes.
And then we are moving to Rasimoni, where last week disgruntled youth went to Impala to go and demand local hiring. This allegedly because Impala hired more than 200 individuals from outside of Rustenburg, which made the youth very disgruntled. Go and have a look at page 10 for this information, and that's where I'm going to leave it.
Yeah, Jabulani, I have to say it's tough out there at the
It's very
moment.
tough.
People are suffering on various fronts. So remember that Rustenburg Herald has always got your back. Ons is hier vir jou. Laat weet ons gerus as jy vir ons 'n storie het. Ons is gratis by jou naaste distribusiepunt en dan sien ons julle weer volgende week. Bly warm.
Sure.